Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add your Paybox timer to the Landlord interface. First, plug in your Paybox timer and wait for a device ID to appear on the LCD screen. Copy the ID and log in to the Paybox Landlord interface. Select the Devices tab, and once that's open, click Add New Device. From here, you'll want to replace the boilerplate machine label to something that you want. You will want to type in the Paybox device ID that you copied down earlier. You want to set the duration for each coin drop and select your currency type. There's American quarter, Canadian quarter, loonie, toonie, token, and free. For this demonstration, we'll be using American quarter. And then we click Save, and your device is created. When you close the window, your new device will show up in the interface. Thank you.